for my team. Thank you so much. And yes, together we stand as a team. Let me introduce you with all the team members: Indu ma'am, myself, Gurpreet ma'am, Pratishtha ma'am, Kanika ma'am, Aman ma'am, and Hina ma'am. So we have given a name to our team, and that is Incredible Innovators. If you can look at the name, hashtag Incredible Innovators. And the reason we called Incredible Innovators is we tried our best to innovate. And what is this SHAGPIK? Shagpik? Nothing much. Do not bother about that. It's just the initials of all our names, the first name initials. And yes, I searched long since yesterday to have a good name for the team. So it actually, shag in English means a carpet, and pick actually means an Indian bird. That's what the dictionary tells me on the Google. However, not to bother about that. All right, so once we go here, we start with the activities. Yes, activities. These are our backbone. This is my sub team, which is the backbone team. And here I introduce Maninder ma'am, who takes Punjabi class, Pooja ma'am takes Hindi, Japan ma'am and Navneet ma'am, they take art classes. Harry sir, of course, we all know, takes our dance class, Paramjeet ma'am, physical education teacher, Gurpreet ma'am, IT teacher, and yes, Avtar sir, our music teacher. I understand we all are aware of each other, who we are, but it's very important to introduce your team members. The reason being, the presentation is about the innovation in teams, together what we have done. So first of all, I would like to inform that as we all know, since morning we are having a 6 hours lesson plan, or the timetable, the schedule for the children. So we started with the first innovation, which was Nearpod in the month of January. After Gurpreet ma'am had taken the training, I requested her if she could go ahead and take the training for the children as well, a new tool. And these are the glimpse. I just tried my best to encash this opportunity and embed maximum possible pictures in all the uh, innovations that we are doing. Hence, I have made a collage of this. You might be thinking one picture is not related to other. The only reason is this is a collage. Going forward, you would find many such collages here. This was about the IT class that we had early in the morning, grade 1, 2, and yes, they enjoyed very much. The moment ma'am was done, they said, "Ma'am, where is the link? Please, here's the link so that we may go ahead and do the test." As we have all attended Nearpod, it has got immense opportunities, immense type of questions can be embedded in Nearpod. I just love this app. Coming back to the next innovation, wherein, yes, you must be thinking, this is a simple forms. Why is it here? Let me tell you the reason. The reason this form collage is here, this is your art examination. So this time we have used forms and children have uploaded their art images for the term 2 examination, which was held on 28, 29, 27, 28 and 29th of January. Hence this image is here. And yes, the another reason why this image is here, Japanjot ma'am has joined us, and very well she took my request of putting a form and together as Navneet ma'am as well. And they never said, no ma'am, we can't do this, or we just need a picture and we will grade the children. No, they didn't do that. They made the form, they shared with me, and they said, is it okay? Do you want any changes? And we tested the form, and this is how children have appeared for their art exam as well. That's the reason the second innovation is here, which is the art exam. Coming on to the special assembly. This assembly is really special for me. Every time we conducted assemblies throughout the year, they have been special. The reason this one has been special for me is on this day, I introduced or I welcomed the chief guest and everyone in Hindi. And that was something different for me because I tried, okay, let me also try. And yes, we do use Hindi. We do keep on talking throughout the day in Hindi. However, when it comes to usage of very technical words, or what you call with lots of sincerity and lots of pronunciation in practice, so that becomes different. So for me, this was an innovation that I could do in the month of January. And this, why is this video here? Yeah, this video. Till now, we have been making videos of the music and the dance that children are performing and showing it on the assembly day. This time, while we were practicing, and we were practicing a play, it was a sort of what you call it, a talk show, something like Coffee with Karan. Suna hoga aap sabne. So we just planned, and the class teacher came up with a wonderful idea, and she said, small children, young children liking the milkshake and donuts and cakes. So we just named it talk show, and the theme was based on milkshake with Manjot Singh. And the child acted very well. Okay, very well. He was so confident, and at the same time, other students, they were playing the role of journalists and anchors from all over the country, and they were showing how how Republic Day is being celebrated in the whole country, in various states, in various schools during the pandemic. So that was our agenda. But then the show wasn't coming up during the dry run. So wonderful input given by our vice principal, ma'am. She said, let's record it and see how it goes on. In the evening, the same day, we happened to let children know that they have to dress up and they have to be ready. Whatever they want to do tomorrow, they have to do it today. And yes, we got so much of support from the parents, from the children. We all were ready on time. We recorded the videos of the children via Teams. And then there comes the technology's role again. Once again, it wasn't as per what we wanted. So then we requested them to send their bits, and those bits were taken till night. It was joined by Hina ma'am, and then a wonderful video came up. Let me see if I could play and if you could hear it for me. Let me know if is it audible or not.
Not audible.
Sorry. So I think I requested my colleagues to let me know. I'm going to the Teams and just putting it on speaker. Hope for the best. Is it audible now?
No, ma'am.
I seriously need to change my laptop, isn't it? Okay. So what we will do is, because when we tested, she was able to play it. Now this team says Teams isn't responding. So Induma, please share your screen.
Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Milkshake with Manjot and they are watching channel KMPS. Now so let's welcome different panelists of India and hear from them.
Thank you, Indu ma'am. We may stop
My
it.
name is Hanuka. I'm from Jampati of India. This
Yes, ma'am. You said something.
Yeah. Yeah, I was just saying you can stop this play. Okay, we go to the next one. You keep on sharing the screen. Okay, so this was just a glimpse, and believe me, we have it on the YouTube, and we are going to share this Wakelet link with all of you so that you may go ahead and enjoy the show. And next we come to the ma'am, click on this remote learning session thing. You need to refresh, I suppose. Okay. Next innovation was, as I said, innovation could be as small as children just coming to the class and attending. So this was another innovation by one of the teachers when she called all her class and she said, you all have to be on the cameras today and we are going to study. So children were roaming here and there maybe, but then when we asked them to switch on their cameras and stay in one place throughout the class for about 40 minutes, they sat there and they kept on doing their work very happily. No one asked for it. Why are you asking us to switch on the cameras? They felt as if they all were together. And whenever the teacher was explaining, apart from the PowerPoint presentation that she had on her screen, children felt as if their friends were together with them. Yes. So this would lead us to one more innovation, that at times while you feel, you can take a single child's name or you can ask the whole class to be on the camera, so that we can also be rest assured that yes, our children are attentively listening to us. This was a wonderful opportunity once again. And then we come back to the breakout rooms that we had. I'm so thankful to my whole team, because I called them at 6 o'clock in the evening and I said, though the message was sent in the afternoon itself, that today we would be having a session on breakout rooms. Let us all practice this and learn how it goes, so that we can go ahead and use this innovation in our classroom. And very happily, they all volunteered. Yes, ma'am, we would be available at this time and we may go ahead. So we had a long session of about 40 minutes or so. The recording is also available on the YouTube and we are going to share it, as I said. So all of us, we tried on the breakout rooms, 2 students or say 2 volunteers in each room, and then we went ahead. Ma'am, let's go to the next one. And once we had practiced and we were confident that we can go ahead and use this breakout rooms. So we played, yes ma'am, this one, sign into your account. And then we clicked or the pictures wherein we used breakout rooms in the classroom itself. In 2 classrooms we used, in grade 3 and in grade 1. We informed the students that you are going to go in different classrooms after 5 minutes, and this is the topic, these are the questions you have to discuss. Yes. And then once you are back, we would be asking you what all you have discussed. So it's a short video of 40 seconds, so let us have a look. Oh yes, thank you so much for that. KNPS educators rock. Yes, that's what I popularly call all of us as rock stars. So these rock stars did not stop there. We just then proceeded next. And you must be thinking, why is this PTM 30th January 2020 here? 2021 is here. The reason it is here, we have been conducting PTM since last 10 months or so virtually. However, during this PTM, each and every teacher shared each and every student's Adobe report card by sharing the screen. Earlier, we used few times, but in this situation, each and every parent was able to talk to us so that we can let them know about the admissions and about different progressions that is going on, different progressive activities that we are conducting in our school. And yes, how can we forget to capture the beautiful moments along with the teachers and their students? Just a glimpse. Yes, ma'am. All right, so after this, we proceed to our early morning prayers that we usually do. Here comes the remote learning etiquettes. And yes, I thank Amandeep ma'am for volunteering and making a wonderful Powtoon video on the remote learning rules. And the children love to see that. Let us also have a quick look on that, because the more we innovate, the more they want to be in our classrooms. Wow, thank you so much for that. Each picture I felt as if it was so apt with whatever we wanted to tell the children. And yes, they liked it. You could see the smiles on their faces while they were watching this. Though it was rules for them, etiquettes, a decorum that has to be followed, but then it wasn't seen in their eyes. Their eyes were so glittering by seeing the video. And then comes our music class. Yes, innovation is not limited to just studies or maybe to your classroom. It has to spread all around. Every day, as we are having the music classes in the activities also, here in Avatar sir very well and very happily accepted my request of taking the students volunteers. And as he came up and he said, if you could sing any song of your own choice, bhajans or so, and they were so happy, they volunteered and the list was never ending. So many of them raised hand. They had so much of discipline in themselves. They waited for their turn, and when they were singing the bhajan, they even crossed their hands, and with lots of affection they had in their minds, and the words which came from them was really awesome. The spirituality lies there. Yes, ma'am. All right, so we go ahead. These are done. We proceed further. Okay, this is done. Great. All right, so here we had, then comes the turn of the next tool. We used Padlet. And yes, so every teacher had their own way of using the Padlet. So Hina ma'am used the Padlet for her class appreciations, and she used the creativity Padlet during her well-being call. She informed the children, yeah, you all are so good at art and you love doing it, so let me create an art Padlet for you wherein you can act or you can edit all your activities of related to art that you do during your free time. Just a glimpse of it. We are trying to play the arts activity. So here you can see, yes ma'am, wow, this looks awesome. So no one was left behind and they had all these activities, all the artwork that they were doing, they put it here. That's great. Let's go to the next Padlet, ma'am. As I said, every teacher had their own way. Gurpreet ma'am from grade 2, she used the Padlet for taking the HOTS question from children. A wonderful opportunity. And she asked the children that this is the HOTS question wherein you have to make a riddle for yourself about a fruit. So once you have made the riddle, you need to write the riddle here and you have to write it on this Padlet. Okay, I think it is just little up above. Yeah, this is the one. This one. Is it not in clickable form? That's fine, no worries. We'll show it later as well. And next go to one more Padlet. So this was not an ending. During the parents teacher meeting, another teacher came up with an idea. Why don't we capture parents feedback on a Padlet, and therein all the teachers designed Padlet for their own class and they shared with the parents. Wonderful pictures of the children. They were so happy seeing it and they learned a new tool. Even the parents said, we also have learned it. Not only our children, even we are becoming confident day by day. So that was an added advantage of the Padlet. Of course, when the children are using it for HOTS question, for parents teacher feedback and for the art activities, how could we go ahead and leave the Padlet from using it for another activities? Hence, we also opted it during subject enrichment activities, wherein Hindi, science, these activities were given through Padlet. Next comes the remote learning sessions. Early in the morning, once the remote learning rules are done, then we come to something like reading of newspaper. So Maninder ma'am popularly used this, reading of newspaper of Punjabi in her class. Thank you so much, ma'am. And children read out the newspaper. That was a new innovation. As we are already using Suvichar in Hindi, And in English also, we give some quotes to them. This was being done earlier as well. The Punjabi reading newspaper was added in this month of January, so it is here. And then comes the student volunteer. You feel so happy when your children are along with you and they say that, yes, ma'am, I would love to volunteer and I would love to do this for you. So this girl, this young lady, Kesar, she is one of them who says, yes, ma'am, I am there and I'll help you. So what she does, once the class starts, even if the co-presenter is there or not there, she says, yes, ma'am, I'll be there. So at times when required, we make her the presenter and she's so disciplined, the girl. She helps the teacher in any activities. If we say, okay, bete, can you please dial this child? Maybe he's facing some problem because we are on the phone, we are on the laptop and children keep on calling us again for the same issue that, ma'am, my call is disconnected. I'm unable to join. Can you invite me? Hence, we took her help and she was so happy to be there. She volunteered herself and she's very disciplined child. Yes, ma'am? We are looking into it and we are going to have more from each class now. Okay, so next comes the Hindi revision test. Of course, why is this here? What is new in Hindi? What is new in revision test? Every time we are taking? Yes, there is something new. We knew that Hindi Punjabi is maybe a tedious task for children to write it through forms. We were in a fix. How may we go ahead and take the test of letter writing or Chitra Varnan through forms? So there came the suggestion and we deliberated with Pooja ma'am and she was very happy to take it. Thrice I had to tell her, ma'am, please ye change kar dijiye, ma'am, please go ahead and do that, ma'am, ye theek nahi hai. But then she was so patient with me. Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. So this is how we have used this Hindi activity or the 10 marks revision test which was conducted in the month of January for Chitra Varnan and the letter. As you might have seen in many English and other activities, maybe in your CET exams or maybe in entrance exams, they have big paragraphs wherein they give lot many fill in the blanks. So we use this fill in the blank option for the letter writing as well because we had to teach the format of letter writing to the children, not the inside content. The content can be amended as per the type of the letter, but the format was to be tested. Hence, we use this fill in the blanks option and you can see the down below questions are there. Yes, ma'am. So we just gave the numbers and the options and they had to select the correct one. This is again few Padlets which have been created. So another teacher, she came up and she said, I want to use the Padlet to appreciate my children as well. And that was a real good go. So she used her Padlet to appreciate the children and she added all the appreciations in that. Whoever had performed very well on that day, the Padlet was ready and on the go while she was conducting the class, she happened to write her comments on that and towards the end of the class, she showed it that these are the stars of the day and there the glittering eyes once again started shining. Thank you so much, Indu ma'am, for that. All right, so we now go ahead with this assignments part. I just could not thank teams less than this. A wonderful opportunity of using assignments. So we used assignments tab and we gave all the assignments using the teams tab wherein we could track the students' activity for different subjects, Hindi, Punjabi, maths in various classes. Yes, ma'am. So we went ahead and this assignments tab also gives us the opportunity of conducting. Okay, I'll come back to that. Let's go to the insights part. It gives us the wonderful opportunity of having our results, the digital activity report card through Insights. In the month of January only, I had conducted a workshop for our teachers as in the webinar which was going on. Everyone was taking it turn wise. I had informed about the Insights as well. So we embedded this Insights tab in all the classrooms and we could track students' activity, how many of them have finished the assignment, how many of them have logged in on time, whether they have seen the assignment, is it submitted or not yet. So this is the collage of the Insights tab. Please go ahead and use it. It will give you a wonderful report card of your children. Yes, ma'am. I strongly recommend to use it. And this is what are these children doing here? Oh, yes, I remember. While we are talking about the revision, while we are talking about the innovation, how may we forget this step? So these children volunteered and they took block 21 social science revision for their class. Two students from each section. They helped the class teacher, they helped the subject teacher and they said, ma'am, we are going to revise it if you could let us know. So a day before topic was given, maybe a PowerPoint or something they could have made, but then we wanted to go stepwise. We wanted to crawl first and then start running. So this month, this step was related to the crawling. That yes, we asked the children, they used their worksheet content book very well. They explained the questions, they explained the concept and asked questions to their friends turn wise. And they even said, yes, please raise your hand, please wait for your turn. The best part was when they couldn't answer, their friends couldn't answer, they said, okay, may I answer it for you? And they answered it. So thank you so much to these children and their class teacher as well. Of course, the teachers were there standing by the side of the children as guide. Yes, ma'am. You must be thinking the list is ongoing, it's not ending. Oh yes, we will do that. So once again, we used a wonderful opportunity, another assessment tool, which is so required in every remote learning activity, be it face to face or be it a remote, we need to use that. So this was test portal used in grade 1 and grade 3 as well, and grade 2 for English, EVS, those subjects. Yes, ma'am. So test portal app was used and very comfortably they did it. I would like to give the adjective of comfortable. They were so happy doing it, and neither none of them complained that ma'am this is difficult and we cannot do it. It was much easier for them. And as I said, we must grab all the opportunities which we come to our way, and you never know who gets motivated with what. So hence Hina ma'am used this Prezi video to appreciate her children for 100% attendance in the month of January. And there came a child saying, ma'am, I was absent only for 1 day. So ma'am said, no worries, dear. Next month, your name is going to come here.
Good morning, everyone. So,
Yes, ma'am, please play.
today I have something special for you. This wonderful medal. So, this medal goes to every student who have 100% attendance in the month of January. And the students are Alka, Avneet Kaur, Diljit Singh, Gursirat Kaur, Gurveer Singh, Hardik Kauda, Harmandeep Kaur, Jasmeet Kaur, Chapman Singh, Manjot Singh, Nakshman, Ranjot Singh, Riya Kanda, Tanvi, and Tanvi. Congratulations to you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that one. And yes, not to leave behind, last year we conducted interviews on Teams as well for the grade 11 students. However, for young children, we already had the admissions done by that time. And yes, we even conducted for few of them via Teams as well. Why this slide is here? Because this time, thank you so much, Principal Ma'am, for giving us the suggestion. And we, yes, made PowerPoint presentations with the questions which we could ask the children. So last time children attended the remote learning sessions and then they came online, took admission and then they attended the remote learning sessions. But now what's happening? The children are already getting used to this habit of seeing on the screen and answering what teacher is asking, and then they are coming to the classes. So this is an added advantage for our children, and this definitely is going to help in the hybrid learning. Yes, ma'am. That's the reason I had added the glimpse here. And yes, of course, how can we go ahead and forget our own lovable sustainable development goals? So this presentation was all about ensuring the SDG 4 quality education in our children so that we can give equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. And together we stand for each other. So this was a presentation for a teamwork partnership for the goal. So I thank all my teachers in the team who are there, activity teachers, my vice principal ma'am who guides us, our principal ma'am for giving us the opportunity, and all the co-educators. Together we go partnership for the goals with the students, with the parents. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sharda ma'am. Well begun is half done. So I feel that we have started well when it comes to innovation, and I'm sure it will be a wonderful, beautiful journey of innovation And the year 2021 would be dedicated to innovations. Small innovations, big innovations, innovations are innovations, and it's great that the coordinators are looking into it. I must compliment Malti and her team of teachers for doing such wonderful work with Portunes. I want to check up, Malti, the various activities which you showed, uh, were they part of your Exceed directions, the teacher's manual, or they were totally your own innovations?
Ma'am, these activities were mentioned in the Exceed books, but teachers have added their own innovations as well in that activities.
Okay. So we have added something more than what was recommended, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's very, very good. I just wanted to know, clarify this. So thank you very much. I just loved all the videos, everything which has been done, the backward counting, the wishing, the attendance, everything was very, very nice. The weather, all was very good. And even the activities which you have shared were very good. So keep it up. God bless you. Your children are very, very precious. They are in the formative years, and whatever they see, they learn. So they normally say the etiquettes and everything, as the NEP says, need to be learned in the first 5 years. So the kindergarten up till grade 2. So that's very nice. Keep it up, and so happy for you. Keep on innovating. Don't stop, because when you get a chance again, you'll have to talk about innovations in the month of February, March, April, whatever 3 months are missing, where others are presenting at that time. All that time has to be covered by you. So thank you very much. Keep it up. You've got a wonderful team, and all of you have done a good job. Thank you so much. Coming over to Sharda ma'am, the list was endless, as she herself said. Small little things, and everything was under innovation. So thank you, Sharda, for and the team of teachers for doing all that was possible, the way it was possible. You all did a great job. Just loved everything. The enrichment activity, Padlet, used in such a big way, which was unheard of in 2020, is being used to such a good manner. I just love the appreciation also. The art being put together in Padlet was a great idea. And if you, again, I say, if you see the art gallery, the gallery in Wakelet, in Padlet, you'll have many more ideas. Loved the Punjabi newspaper, which is also being done in the junior campus. I'm glad we are learning from each other. That's nice. The Kesar activity, wherein he says milk with Kesar, whatever you said it, that was nice. I had watched the entire show at that particular time. And then Chitravarnan, and then appreciation, and then assignment tablet use. That's very, very good, because many of us, even in the senior classes, are not using assignment. We're not making the 100% use of our Teams app, which we need to use. So that's very good, because Insight helps, as rightly said. Test portal is something very, very good. That is a real innovation. Prezi video also very nice. And then admission online, especially with the presentation part, was also very, very good. So thank you so much for using all these activities. All this being used now is something very good. I'm very, very happy about it. And then your other team members, be it be music, be it be PTM, screen sharing, that was very, very nice. I'm very thankful to you that 100% teachers used it. For some others amongst us would say, even we have done it, fine if you have done it, but there are some of us who still don't do it. So there lies the sad part of it. Then Aftal sir's class, and then the art Padlet, I said, hot questions, parents' feedback on Padlet, everything which has happened is very, very nice. Use of Nearpod, art exam. I'm very, very thankful for that breakout room. Once I just said it during the staff meeting, you've done it. I don't think anybody else has done it, because especially in the senior classes, we need to, now it has to be more of facilitating to think. The concept learning means we can even say that this is the topic, go discuss among yourself. It could be a simple topic from their own, the freedom movement or something like that, and children can discuss and they can come out. So our traditional system of teaching needs to be changed. That's very, very important, just as NEP, we had it yesterday. We learned so much, special assembly, and then the Hindi aspect of it, that was very nice. Everything you have shared, Sharda, thank you so much. I love the name which you have given to your group also. So that's nice. We can think of having our names because this team continues. So God bless, and even the art examination where the Microsoft form is being used. So thank you so much for all these steps. These are initiations, these initiatives taken by Sharda ma'am and done by all teachers. I'm very, very thankful to the group of teachers who actually took a step in the unknown, which was not known, and we are experimenting. That's what a true teacher is all about, learning. Learning all her life, they say, is what a teacher has to do. I hope the other coordinators also ready with the innovations, because we'll be having from now onwards we'll be a little more structured, that this is what is expected in your presentation. Maybe we'll do it, but the first round would be just by the coordinators itself, and that's it. With this, I think it's nearly 4, and with this we come to the end